Marami pang mga taga-DPWH ang gustong kumanta kaugnay ng flood control scandal. Ayon kay Prosecutor General Anthony Padulyon, may mga opisyal ng DPWH ang nagpahayag ng intensyon na tumistigo at maging state witness sa anomalya. Samantala, Department of Justice iisyuhan na ng subpoena ang ilang dating engineer ng DPWH para sa pagbubukas ng preliminary investigation, habang para daw mapabilis ang investigasyon sa mga ari-arian ni dating Congressman Zaldico at pagpapalabas ng freeze order, makakatulong daw ang disclosure ng SALN nito. Narito balita ni Margot Gonzalez.
Posibleng madadagdagan pa ang testigo kaugnay ng flood control scandal. Ayon kay DOJ Prosecutor General Anthony Padulyon, mga kasalukuyang DPWH official daw ang nakikipag-ugnayan ngayon sa DOJ para maging state witness sa kontrobersiya. Pero kung sino-sino ang mga ito, ayaw pang pangalanan ni Padulyon.
These are still government officials.
DPWH.
Yeah, I would say, it's safe to say, they are from the DPWH.
Nilinaw naman ng DOJ na wala pa sa mag-asawang Diskaya o kay Henry Alcantara, Bryce Hernandez, JP Mendoza at Sally Santos ang nagpahayag ng pagbawi nila ng aplikasyon para maging state witness. Samantala, sa hostile witness remarks naman ng ombudsman sa mga Diskaya, ang DOJ sinabing hindi pa sila umabot sa ganong assessment sa mag-asawa.
We'd like to clarify that the powers and competence of the ombudsman is independent of that of the DOJ. Magkaiba po yung assessment namin ng evidence of the affidavits by the would-be witnesses, by the applicants for state witnesses. When the ombudsman say that the witness has been rendered hostile, we have to make a distinction between a hostile witness legally, as defined under the rules of court, and maybe a hostile witness loosely used in saying na hindi na po cooperative yung witness na to sa sinasagawa nilang investigation or evaluation. So again, it's a clarification of what hostile witness is under the law and hostile witnesses is being uncooperative generally.
Remember, hostility means that one does not want to cooperate. No? We do not know what arrangement has been made by the Discayas with the Office of the Ombudsman, no? Or if they have been called or summoned to appear in any investigation there. Now, yung dito naman sa department kasi, we cannot ascertain yet whether there is hostility up until we see the statements that they have to say.
Para naman sa pagbubukas ng preliminary investigation, mag-i-issue na ng subpoena ang DOJ laban sa mga dating engineer ng DPWH sa susunod na linggo kaugnay ng mga ghost project sa unang distrito ng Bulacan. Kasama dito si Alcantara, Hernandez at Mendoza. Kung may mga mababatas ng ipatatawag ang hensya para sa pag-inig, wala pa raw, ayon kay Fadulyon.
Wala, sir, lawmakers or former lawmakers?
No, none. As we announced also during the time when we refer the case to the Office of the Ombudsman, there is no lawmaker yet, neither a congressman or a senator, who is included in the charges that are being subjected to a preliminary investigation.
Samantala, naniniwala naman ng DOJ na makakatulong ang disclosure ng SALN ni dating Congressman Zaldico para sa ginagawa nilang investigasyon sa mga ari-arian ng dating mamabatas at sa pagpapalabas ng freeze order laban dito. Pero sa tanong kung hirap ang gobyerno na pigilan ang pagpapalabas ng mga ari-arian nito dahil sa kawalan ng freeze order, ito ang sagot ng Prosecutor General.
Mahirap po mag-categorical na magsabi na hindi natin pwedeng habulin. Of course, ang objective po natin is habulin po at mapigilan po ang paglalabas itong mga assets na ito na identified. Simply because it is in the SALN does not mean that it is here. Diba? For all you know, these are assets which are stated, but as to whether or not they're actually here in the country or they're somewhere else hidden already, we do not know. So that the disclosure of the SALNs would probably prove helpful as far as the AMLC is concerned to probably speed up the financial investigation so that we can have freeze orders already issued.
Ayon din kumpirmahin ng DOJ kung kahinahinala sa bahagi ni Zaldico ang nailabas na mga air assets ng dating kongresista.
Ayoko magsalita muna kung kahinahinala na, no? That would be preempting whatever the results of the other investigations will be conducted.
Para sa Diyos at Pilipinas, kumahal, Margot Gonzalez, Kasi News.